Welcome back to my channel. Hey, listen, I know I always talk about bacon, you know, like as in the pork bacon, but listen, we're going to do a little baking. You know what? Let me enunciate a little better. Hey, with that being said, you know what? I'm feeling that holiday spirit right now. So, Alexa, play some holiday music.
The station holiday favorites on Amazon Music.
So as you can see, listen, I got that holiday, you know, feeling, that spirit in me right now. I'm at home cooking in my kitchen. You know what? So listen, today, this might not be something that we mostly think about as far as you know, the holiday, you know, desserts or something like that. But listen, we getting ready to make a Pizookie. Listen, my wife and I, we go to a restaurant called BJ's. Listen, and she always gets the Pizookie. You know what? That's just like a large chocolate chip cookie, you know, with ice cream of your choice. You know, for me, I'm gonna go ahead and just put that vanilla, that French vanilla on top, you know, and drizzle a little caramel or a chocolate on top of it, and we just get ready to do a copycat. But as you can see, listen to that. I'm loving this this time of the year. So with that being said, let's go ahead and just get right into this bacon. Okay, look, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get us a small bowl, then we're gonna combine our flour, salt, and baking soda. Then after that, then we're gonna just like mix it, you know, mix it all up. I would suggest using a whisk, but you know what? If you got a fork, that'll work fine too. Now you want to get yourself a larger bowl, and you want to add your granulated sugar, brown sugar, and your vanilla extract. And then listen, you want to put your 2 sticks of butter. Hey, one thing I want to say about the butter is, listen, it needs to be room temperature. It has to be softened, not melted, but softened. And then what you want to do is you want to just mix them together until it becomes creamy. Now, once you reach the texture, that you know, that creamy texture, then you want to start adding your eggs. We're gonna add them one at a time. And listen, we're gonna mix them well after each addition. You just want to make sure that they're thoroughly mixed into the creamy goodness. Once we finish, you know, adding the 2 eggs to our mixture, and we're done with that, and it's mixed very well, then we want to start gradually introducing the flour mixture. Listen, you want to introduce it, you know, want to do it in increments. So you just add a little bit here, mix it up, and then once all of the flour and all of that is mixed in, then you want to add a little bit more. You want to repeat that process until all of your flour is added to your mixture and you're done. Once you're done adding all your flour and then you got your mixture, you know, it starts to resemble like, you know, like cookie dough. Then what you want to do is just add your chocolate chip morsels in, and then, you know, you just want to mix them up, get you know, I like to hold some back. I say, I don't know, I can't really tell you how much I hold back, but just like a small handful. That's so after I make my pie, you know, once I spread my cookie dough inside of my skillet, I like to add just a few on top. Now's the time to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And here, I just use some non-stick, you know, spray oil. You know, I greased my pan. You know, I had I had two sides, 12 inch, and I had a small 6 inch, you know, cast iron skillet. And so here, this is all we're doing right now. It's just like adding your cookie dough. Instead of making individual cookies, we make it just one big cookie, almost like a pie. Remember earlier I was talking about holding some of the chocolate chip morsels back, and this is what I was talking about right here. I like to just sprinkle some on top. you're done, you want to put them in the oven, and you want to put them in there for 30 minutes. And the telltale sign is, look at the edge of your cookies, and if your cookies are that golden brown on the edge, then you know that they're ready. Then just go ahead and bring them out. You want to let them cool, and then you can go ahead and top them with ice cream. If you're doing a Pizookie, listen, you got to put a scoop of ice cream on the top. Outside of that, y'all, look at that right there. That right there is done. The beauty of making these at home is you can top it with whatever you would like. You know what? I kept mine a little bit more traditional and went with caramel and then chocolate syrup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video recipe. This was meant to, bring, something fun, for the whole family. And don't forget, you guys, that the full recipe will be down in the description box below. And with that being said, you know what? Happy holidays to everybody. What did you guys think about that? That right there, you know what? This is just something nice. You know what? It is the holiday season right now. I know this is not traditionally just, something that everybody just makes, for the holidays. But, with me in here smelling all of the sweetness, the brown sugar, and, making cookies instead of just individual cookies, I chose to just go with like one big one. And again, here it is. I will say this. Let me go ahead and make sure it focuses. I would just say, hey, make sure before you pick this up, you want to make sure it's cool. You know what? But listen, this is something nice. Sit this out after, your dinner, and just have your family, just everybody put a couple of scoops of ice cream on top of it. Everybody just hit it with a spoon, you know what I mean? And everybody can just eat out of it. So with that being said, you know what? This is my hand showing you guys that yes, I can bake, and I got some easy recipes. And if you remember, listen, I started this channel just to take the mystery out of cooking, to let everybody know, listen, if you just have some kind of way, especially watching a video, if you can just watch that video, you know what I mean, it's easy to follow, and you too can create these same dishes. So with that being said, you guys, listen, if you're new to my channel, I just want to go ahead and say, hey, thank you. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and then share it with the rest of the world and let everybody know, listen, we all are taking the mystery out of that, hey, can I make that? And we showing everybody that, listen, it is super easy to just go ahead and make some of these delicious dishes. And that being said, you guys, you know what? I just want to say thank you. I'm out. Peace.